Hello lover, my name is Moana, and today I just wanted to talk to you about how you can support small businesses while we are on lockdown. So in Australia, we're not actually in lockdown, we're practicing social distancing, which just means keeping a distance from other people. It doesn't mean that you have to stay in your homes forever, unless you are actually on isolation due to travel and because you've got the virus. But so social distancing means that you are still able to go out to different businesses and use their services. And so today we went to the Kiwi Pacific Store to make sure that we supported a Pacific business. We have some video footage of the store and what's available, but just so you know, we bought some coconut creams, some pisupo, some panikeke, some ita, and some talo. And so these are some of the things that we were able to purchase today. They have so many different things available in store. They also are part of a menu log, so you can order online and get it delivered to your home if you're in the area, or even if you're at work and you work close by, delivery is an option. So if you're looking at trying to find ways to support small businesses, this is one way that you can do it here in Australia. Other ways include visiting their online stores, purchasing from their own online stores, as well as liking their social media posts, watch their YouTube videos, subscribe to YouTube channels. All of these help support small businesses and creatives while going through this COVID-19 pandemic. So watch the video, enjoy, and if you can, shop locally and support small businesses.